Hello again. So, there are two things about the YouTube site at the moment that have been increasingly annoying for me. So, instead of just making a video where I bitch and whine about them a little bit, I'm going to suggest a solution to both problems. First problem, the 500 character comment limit. Now, in the comment section down there, you can type away, and if you want to get a little verbose and you try and post it, you suddenly get a little error message just saying, sorry, your message must be less than 500 characters. Complete pain in the ass for people who want to give lots of feedback. Solution to this, well, we can't really get rid of it altogether because it has helped with some of the spam comments and things like that, but a way to make it more user-friendly. So you don't have to wind up, you're sitting there typing out a message and you go click, oh no, it's over 500 characters, and then you have to start deleting bits and pieces of it and abbreviations and things like that and working out what you can get rid of and still get your point across and all that thing, or work out where to cut and copy and paste it into a separate message. Easy to solve, really, really easy to solve. All you do, YouTube, code monkeys, are you listening? Put a character counter down next to the button where it says post this comment, and just have it update exactly how many characters are in that post. So you can tell when you get to 500 characters, you go, oh, you know, it turns red maybe when it gets to 500 characters. And the person typing the comment can go, oh, I'm over the 500 comment limit. I better send this much and continue it in another message. Really easy. It prevents all that sort of hair-tearing bits and pieces where you got to figure out what to delete and how to split it up into separate messages so it still makes sense and flows correctly and all that sort of stuff. Gone. Instant. Simple bit of code. Easy to implement. I don't know anything about coding websites, in particular Ajax or Java or whatever they're using for the comment system, but I imagine it's pretty simple because it sounds pretty simple to me. Second problem, spam, 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 spam. Now, I'm not going to sing the song because we all know the Monty Python song. At least we all should. If you don't know the Monty Python spam song, there's something wrong with your life. YouTube have tried several different methods for attacking spam, and none of them have worked particularly well. I'm not sure how they update their spam filter list, but it's not doing the job properly. That little marker spam button next to useless. My proposal, although it will put a little extra load on the servers I imagine, is give each user a customizable blacklist. If a comment contains these words, or this sentence, or this website, or whatever, block it. Nuke it. Don't let it through. Because, you know, the spammers are getting around to every single measure that YouTube have put in place. The filter that YouTube uses to filter out this stuff isn't working fast enough. It's not efficient enough. Like this, I've been marking this message as spam and deleting it and blocking the posters over and over and over again for days now. It's always exactly the same. I mean, it has the words hardcore porn, hentai, lesbian, gays, big tits, anal, teen, blowjob, and incest in it, and it still hasn't been added to the filter list to block it out as spam. It's ridiculous. How is a message like this not picked up by the system as spam? The YouTube spam filter is completely freaking retarded. So if I start to see a bunch of spam comments advertising, you know, girlsoncam.net, whatever, I can just say, okay, if a message contains girls on cam or XXX hot girls or 20 a female sitting alone bored, I can just go block that from here on in. Be retroactive. Any message in any of the videos that I've got posted. Nuke it. Easy. Spam problem under control. And it's pretty easy for those users out there who, like me, read all their comments because you read them all anyway. If you come across a spam comment, you can just go, add that to the blacklist. Boom. Easy. Doing this a lot. Don't know why. Feel hyper. The double bonus of this system is each of these blacklists, YouTube can stick in a database, compare it to other users' blacklists, and if they see a common link, and they will, see a common link, they can go, well, okay, we'll add this to the overall spam blocking measures, and it adds an extra level of filtering for the spam bots to fight their way through. And it makes it even harder for that spam to wind up on your videos. Easy. So there you have it. Two things that are going to make the site a more pleasant place to use. One, get a handle on that 500 character comment limit with a little counter that turns red when you reach 100 so you know when to split your comment up. And two, give the users the ability to self-filter the gosh damn bucket spam that winds up in our videos, because I'm getting really, really tired of having to filter this crap out manually. It's eating up far too much of my time. I've got better things to do, like interacting with my viewers. Thank you very much. Catch you next time. So spam bots, if you're listening, and I know you're inanimate pieces of code written by people who should be fired out of a cannon into orbit, burn in silicon hell, you syphilitic pricks.